गुड मॉर्निंग विद्यार्थी मित्रो. चला बघा, आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4 मधलं 2.5 मधलं जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आहे स्टार मार्क्स, त्या क्वेश्चनला कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं त्याबद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन घेणार आहोत. लेट वी आर टेक द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. तर बघा, या ठिकाणी काय सांगितलंय, सम ऑफ द रूट्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज डबल देअर प्रोडक्ट. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. तर we know about alpha plus beta. This is the sum of the roots of quadratic equation, and alpha into beta, this is the product of the roots of the quadratic equation. So sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. It means alpha plus beta is equal to double, means double its product. Okay, so product is alpha into beta. Okay, so right now here a is 1, b is minus 4k, and c is k plus 3. Okay, so let's now we understand what is the value of, so alpha plus beta, this is the alpha plus beta 4k. Okay, it means alpha plus beta is equal to 4k. Okay, so it products k plus 3 k plus 3 into 1, k plus 3 into 1 we get 1, so alpha into beta is equal to k plus 3. So this value put here. Let now put here alpha plus beta 4k is equal to alpha into beta k plus 3. So 4k is equal to 2 into k, 2k, then 2 into 3 6, 2k plus 6. Okay, so like term we are same side, 4k minus 2k, here is positive, it's become negative, so 6. 4k minus 2k we get 2k is equal to 6, so k is equal to 6 and 2 is divided here, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6, so k's value is 3. So in this way we are solve this problem. Okay, so let's question number 6. We see here alpha and beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So find alpha cube plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, and what is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. So let's we remember our expansion formulas. Okay, so right now here y square minus, so a is 1 here, okay, b is minus 2, okay, and c is minus 7. So alpha and beta, alpha square plus beta square, then we are write the coefficient with y variables a, b, c. Okay, so right now here the expansion formula of a plus b square, this formula is expanded here as we have, you remember this formula, a plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and these two terms are came to at one place. Okay, so a square plus b square, and this 2ab is plus same here, so a plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so this formula write in this way, a square plus b square bracket complete is equal to a plus b square minus 2ab. So this formula a means alpha and b means beta. Okay, so right here alpha square and beta square. So alpha and beta we are find here, alpha and beta. Let me find alpha beta. We know about alpha beta minus b upon a, and alpha into beta, we know about C upon A. Okay, so this value put here, alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A. So minus B is here, minus in bracket minus 2 and upon 1. So alpha into beta, here product is alpha into beta C minus 7 upon 1. Okay, so we put minus plus 2 upon 1 is 2, and alpha into beta we get minus 7. So this value put in our this types of equation and right here. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So we know about alpha plus beta. Alpha beta is 2 square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, so alpha beta product is minus 7. So right here minus 7. So 2 square is 4, minus 2 and minus 7. 7 2s are 14, minus plus. So 14 is become positive, and 4 plus 14 we get 18. It means our values is 18. When we are solve alpha square plus beta square, we get 18. Okay, so similarly we are solve same equation here. Now alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, we make a formula, similar terms. So what is the value of these equations? Okay, so it's a question marks. So let's be reminder, the expansion formula is a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this expansion formula, this like terms came to at one place and common place. Okay, so a cube plus b cube we get, so right here a plus b cube, and this 3a square ab and b square become as minus when we send the another side. So minus 3 in bracket ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, when we multiply a into a, we get a square. When we multiply b into b square. Okay, 3 is we are draw common. So right here it's compared with alpha and beta. So right here alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. So put here value alpha plus beta cube. So alpha plus beta sum is here, we draw 2. So put here 2 cube minus 3 alpha into beta, we product draw here minus 7. So right here minus 7, and another alpha plus beta is 2. So find out 2 cube is 8, 3 7 are 21, 3 7 are 21, minus 21 into 2, 8 minus 21 to the 42. So we get minus 8 minus 42. 8 minus 42 we get 34. But we get a minus 34. So this is our answer. So if you want to take a screenshot.